Imagine a grand ballroom where the stars twinkled like 1,000 chandeliers. The sun, majestic and radiant, sits upon a raised dais at the center, bathed in golden light. Around it, the planets waltz and pirouette, each on its unique path, a testament to an ancient cosmic ballet. Welcome to our solar system, where the planets perform a never-ending dance around our sun. But this is no ordinary ballet. It's a cosmic spectacle of perfect harmony and balance, a celestial choreography that has been playing out for billions of years. As we gaze up at the night sky, we see only a tiny fraction of this celestial performance. For the majority of the planets are hidden from our view, their positions shrouded in the depths of space, yet their presence is felt in the subtle movements of the stars and the gentle sway of the Earth's atmosphere. Let's begin our journey with Mercury, the Sun's closest companion. This tiny planet, swift and elusive, dances just 77 million kilometers from the Sun. In a mere 88 days, it completes a full revolution around the star, making it the fastest planet in the solar system. Its orbit is a rapid-fire waltz, a whirlwind of motion that takes it closer to the Sun than any other planet. Next, we spot Venus, veiled in morning twilight or evening splendor. This enigmatic planet moves in a mesmerizing 225 million kilometers from the Sun. With a year longer than Earth's, it gracefully glides through the sky, completing an orbit in 225 days. Though similar in size to Earth, Venus hides a fiery secret. Its thick clouds conceal a hellish landscape of extreme heat and pressure. And then there's Earth, our home, the only known planet to harbor life. We dwell 150 million kilometers from the Sun, where conditions are just right for life to flourish. In a year that is 365 days long, our planet dances in a delicate balance, spinning on its axis and orbiting the Sun. Without this harmonious motion, life as we know it would cease to exist. But the cosmic ballet doesn't end with Earth. Beyond us lies Mars, the red planet, poised 228 million kilometers away. This rusty-colored world holds a special place in human imagination, capturing our dreams of exploring the cosmos. With a year twice as long as Earth's, Mars beckons us with its frozen poles and ancient mysteries. Continuing our journey outward, we reach Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. At a distance of 778 million kilometers, this colossal gas giant reigns supreme. With more than 2.5 times the mass of all the other planets combined, it commands a gravitational force that shapes the orbits of those around it. Beyond Jupiter, we find Saturn, the jewel of the solar system. Renowned for its magnificent rings, this planet is located 946 million kilometers from the Sun, with a year that is 9.5 times longer than Earth's. Saturn takes its time to complete an orbit. Its iconic rings, made of ice and rock, stretch for thousands of kilometers and are a sight to behold. Now we arrive at Neptune, the 8th planet from the Sun. Discovered in 1846, this icy giant resides 2.8 billion kilometers away. With a year that lasts 165 years, Neptune's discovery marked a significant moment in astronomy. It was the first planet found not by observing it in the sky, but by mathematical prediction. Finally, we reach Pluto, the ninth planet. Once considered the eighth planet, Pluto now holds the title of the first dwarf planet in a distant realm. At 3.7 billion kilometers, Pluto orbits the Sun in a highly elliptical orbit that takes it closer to Neptune at times. Its discovery in 1930 captivated the public imagination, and its reclassification in 2006 sparked debate that continues to this day. The planets, along with the Sun, are held together by a force we can't see, yet is the most crucial element of this celestial performance. Gravity, an invisible yet powerful force, keeps them bound to the Sun, preventing them from flying off into the vastness of space. Without gravity, the solar system would disintegrate into a chaotic jumble of planets adrift in their separate directions. Yet this cosmic embrace goes beyond mere captivity. Gravity is the choreographer of this celestial ballet. It dictates the path each planet must take, the speed at which it must move, and the duration of its orbital dance. Without gravity, there would be no harmony, no balance, no dance. However, the planet's journey around the Sun is not a solitary one. They share their path with millions, perhaps billions of asteroids. These rocky remnants from the early solar system are scattered throughout the planet's orbits, some as small as a house, others as large as a city. Occasionally, these asteroids come dangerously close to the planets, passing within their atmospheres and leaving behind streaks of light that blaze across the night sky. But the planets' paths don't always run smoothly. Sometimes they cross, creating close encounters that shake the foundations of the solar system. When this happens, the planets must alter their course, adjusting their speeds and distances to avoid collision. These close calls are not merely celestial accidents, they are dramatic reminders of the delicate balance that governs the solar system. For instance, every 750 years, Earth and Venus come within 40 million kilometers of each other. During these rare encounters, the two planets appear unthinkably close in the sky, offering a breathtaking spectacle for those who witness it. But even in the midst of this cosmic ballet, there are disruptions, moments when the planets seem to break the laws of their celestial choreography. Comets streaking through space, their icy bodies leaving behind brilliant trails of gas and dust. These icy wanderers travel in highly elliptical orbits that take them far beyond Neptune before looping back towards the Sun. Some visit the inner solar system only once every few hundred years, while others return more frequently, their icy bodies crashing into the planets and adding new layers to their atmospheres. These comets are not just celestial visitors, they are harbingers of change, reminding us that even in the most established of ballets, there is room for the unexpected. For example, every 76 years, Comet 77P makes its way towards the Sun. Its last appearance occurred in 1996, gracing our skies during the winter months. Set to pass Earth in February 2024, this comet will be visible with the naked eye, offering a chance to witness a spectacle that has fascinated humanity for millennia. In the grand theatre of the cosmos, the planets perform their eternal dance around the sun, a celestial ballet of perfect balance and harmony. Each planet has its unique role, its distance, its speed, its peculiarities. Together, they form a symphony of motion that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. As we marvel at the beauty of this cosmic dance, let us also remember that we are part of this grand performance. Earth, with all its wonders and complexities, is just one of the planets in this celestial ballet. Our existence is a mere footnote in the vast expanse of the solar system's history. Yet it is from this tiny blue dot that we have launched probes and telescopes to explore our cosmic surroundings. Through these instruments, we have seen the planets up close, revealing their hidden features and providing glimpses into their atmospheres and surfaces. But even as we explore the solar system, we must remember the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible. The very forces that hold the solar system together can also be destructive. Volcanic eruptions on Jupiter's moon Io, for instance, reshape its surface and release vast amounts of energy. On Saturn's moon Titan, hydrocarbon lakes cover the surface, offering a unique environment that scientists hope could hold clues to the origins of life. As we continue to probe the mysteries of the solar system, let us carry with us the wonder and humility that only a deep understanding of our place in the cosmos can bring. For in the grand scheme of things, we are but one small part of a much larger and more complex performance. And it is through our appreciation and understanding of this performance that we truly come to appreciate the beauty and complexity of the universe we inhabit. Each planet in our solar system is a unique world with its own story to tell. Mercury, the speedy messenger; Venus, the enigmatic beauty; Earth, our vibrant home; Mars, the rusty dream; Jupiter, the massive king; Saturn, the ringed jewel; Neptune, the icy giant; and Pluto, the distant dwarf. All of these worlds dance around our sun in a never-ending ballet, a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. So the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the celestial performance taking place just beyond your sight. Let the wonder and mystery of the cosmos fill you with awe and inspire you to explore the vast universe we inhabit. For in doing so, we pay homage to the grand ballet of the planets and our place within it.